Today, you will learn how to insert multiple rows in Excel at once with Shortcut key. First, click any cell in the row where you want the new rows to appear. Remember, Excel inserts the new rows above the selected rows. Now press Shift and Spacebar to select the entire row. If you want to insert multiple rows, hold the Shift key and press the down arrow to select the exact number of rows you want to add. For example, if you want to add 3 new rows, select 3 existing rows. Now press Ctrl and the plus key together. On a regular keyboard, you may need to press Ctrl, Shift, and the plus key. If you have a numeric keypad, you can use Ctrl and plus directly. Excel will immediately insert the same number of blank rows above your selection. So if you selected 3 rows, Excel adds 3 new rows. The most important thing to remember is that the number of rows you select determines the number of new rows Excel inserts. You can also select the rows by clicking and dragging over their row numbers on the left side, and then press Ctrl and plus. If you make a mistake, simply press Ctrl and Z to undo it. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe.